Today, I'm reviewing Learn with AWS. Review: AWS Builder Center for Cloud Skills and Training 2025, a centralized learning hub that combines AWS training, community content, and cloud skills resources to help developers, IT professionals, and teams build practical cloud expertise through guided plans, labs, and certification prep. The AWS Builder Center connects learners to AWS Skill Builder, which hosts free and paid courses, structured learning paths, interactive labs, and exam preparation tools designed to support both beginners and experienced cloud practitioners. AWS Skill Builder includes over 1,000 training resources, such as self-paced courses, hands-on labs, and immersive learning experiences created by AWS experts, allowing learners to practice real-world cloud tasks in sandbox environments. A standout part of the ecosystem is Builder Labs and game-based learning experiences like AWS Cloud Quest and AWS Jam, which turn complex AWS concepts into interactive challenges, along with newer features like the meeting simulator and micro-credentials that validate specific hands-on skills. Users generally praise the platform for its depth and usefulness in certification preparation and skill development, though some note that the interface and video-heavy format can feel overwhelming, especially for those who prefer shorter or text-based learning materials. Overall, the AWS Builder Center and AWS Skill Builder together form a comprehensive cloud training ecosystem that supports learners at all levels, with hands-on practice, guided learning, and career-focused resources, making it a strong option for building AWS skills and advancing in cloud computing.